Consider the problem. Find the unit step response of an LTI system whose impulse response is given by h of n equal to 1 by 2 raised to n into u of n. So let us find out the unit step response. So we have already discussed. So it can be solved by two methods, in the sense that we can use two formulas here. So the first method I am going to show here. So there I am going to use the formula S of n equal to summation of k equal to 0 to infinity h of n minus k. So this formula I am going to use. So the given impulse response is h of n, so which is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n into u of n. So let us substitute that one. So I am going to get here summation of k equal to 0 to infinity. So 1 by 2 bracket raised to n minus k into u of n minus k. Look at here, this is a unit step function. So this u of n minus k, which is equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to k. So that means your n values must be greater than or equal to k. So but my k value, so it starts with 0. So 0 to infinity range is there. So in that the minimum k value, so that is nothing but 0. So it is indirectly this implies by seeing this summation range. So I can write here n should be greater than or equal to 0. So then at that time, so my unit step function, this is u of n minus k, which is equal to 1. So otherwise its value equal to 0. So that means it is equal to 0 for, so look here, based on this, when n is greater than or equal to 0, its value equal to 1 means for other case means only left case is n is less than 0. So its value is 0. So now let us find out, so using this range. So that means totally, so my k range is in between 0 to n. So my S of n, it becomes summation of k equal to 0 to n, so 1 by 2 bracket raised to n minus k. So let us bring 1 by 2 to the power n outside, because it is a constant quantity. So if I bring 1 by 2 to the power n outside, then inside what is left, k equal to 0 to n 1 by 2 raised to minus k. So 1 by 2 raised to minus k can be written as 2 to the power k summation of k equal to 0 to n. So then it becomes 2 to the power k. So now I am going to use the standard formula. So that is, when it is alpha to the power k, we are writing alpha to the power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by alpha minus 1. The same formula I am going to use here. So for this summation, if it is the range k equal to 0 to n, so then I can write here 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So now let us simplify this one. So if I simplify, so I am getting here 1 by 2 to the power n. So look here, 2 to the power minus 1 is 1. So only top it is left is 2 to the power n. So again I can split this one as 2, so minus 1. So let us have written in that form. So now 1 by 2 to the power n, so which is nothing but 2 to the power minus n. So 2 to the power minus n is multiplied with this term. So 2 to the power n and 2 to the power minus n get cancels. The term I am getting from this multiplication is only 2. So then after that I have to multiply with this So I am getting here 1 by 2 raised to n. So this is S of n. So already you know for what condition? For n is greater than or equal to 0 and which is equal to 0 for n less than 0. The same thing. So if you want, so you can put it in what I can call here in another form. The answer can be put this answer. So if you write this much also it is right. So if you want in compact form, I can write S of n equal to, so 2 minus 1 by 2 to the power n into u of n. So because this will define the range, so n is greater than or equal to 0, only u of n is existing. At that time this value exists. So otherwise your less than 0 condition, this will become 0. So the multiplication of this with this, so you are getting 0. So my answer is, you can write this one or this one. So I have shown you by using this formula. So we have one more formula. So already we have discussed. So let us see by using that also we are getting the same answer or not. Okay, so that I will call here it as a second method. So let us call it as a second method. So because I am using second formula here, so that formula which has been given by, so that is S of n equal to summation of k equal to minus infinity to n h of k is the formula. So let us use this one. So according to that I am going to write k equal to minus infinity to n. So given h of n is, so 1 by 2 to the power n is there. So now it becomes 1 by 2 to the power k into u of k. So now look at this u of k. So u of k equal to 0 for k greater than or equal to 0. So then, u of k equal to 1. So its value equal to 1 for k greater than or equal to 0. So and it is 0 for k less than 0. So because it is a unit step function, so hence, so k should be greater than or equal to 0 means, so my range has to start from, so 0 to n. So this formula reduces to, so that means formula in that range, the range will reduce us to summation of k equal to 0 to n into 1 by 2 bracket raised to k. So now let us simplify this one. So if I simplify, it is k equal to 0 to n. So now I can simplify it is a 1 minus 1 by 2 bracket raised to n plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So now let us simplify this. So the LCM is 1 by 2 here. So if I bring top, it becomes 2. 2 is multiplied with 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1. So 2 to the power, so look at here. So if I multiply 2 inside, so I'll get here 2 minus, so look at here, it can be splitted into 1 by 2 to the power n into 1 by 2. So now 1 by 2 get cancels. The only left term is 1 by 2 to the power n. So I have got S of n equal to this one. So and this is, I have got it for the range. So that is n is greater than or equal to 0 range. So I have got here. So similarly, other case means for n less than 0 I have to get 0. So this is my answer. So again, if you want in compact form, you can multiply into u of n with this. So then no need to write the range. To avoid the writing, if you want to avoid writing the range, don't want to write range means, then you have to put S of n equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 to the power n, so into u of n. So that means this u of n will gives this range. So let us check this answer with the previous one. So I hope both should be same. So look at here. So it is also 2 minus 1 by 2 to the power n into u of n. So hence, if you use any formula out of these two, so you will get the same answer.